A group of dolphins can be seen swimming at unusually high speeds in front of a moving ship. This behavior is commonly observed in oceanic dolphins and is known as bow riding. It usually occurs during long migrations, where dolphins take advantage of the pressure waves created by the ship's bow to propel themselves forward. This allows them to move faster while conserving energy. In addition to bow riding, dolphins also engage in stern riding, following the waves at the back of a ship, not only to save energy but also as an opportunity to forage for food.